So I've got a big air bubble underneath previous repair. That plastic should be stuck, it shouldn't be like that. Plus they've just gone over the crack. So there's no cutting out of the crack or anything, so the crack just stays there, keeps going, and eventually comes through to the surface of the material. Okay, so we've got a lot of the previous patch off. You can see somebody's tried to V it out a bit, but they haven't gone anywhere near deep enough. This shouldn't be like that. That should be stuck. You shouldn't be able to just take that off with a chisel. As you can see, it's pretty poor welding that somebody's done. Okay, we got the cover, basically all the plastic off that somebody's put on. As you can see, we've probably had an impact here. It's been improperly filled. That white line around there is where the plastic hasn't actually stuck, and then they haven't grooved it out far enough on the split, and the split's just kept going. So that split's got to be grooved right out and not just covered over. This bit they've done here, I think that's just to try and add a bit of strength, but as you can see under here, here and here, there's air pockets there, but I'm not going to bother with that because there's no crack coming across here. The white line is where the crack is. You can see the white line down there. Righto, so we've got the crack all grooved out. You can see it's originally been hit by something. Somebody's reversed the tanker into something. It's done those holes. Push this in a little bit here. And you can see the crack is quite extensive. Okay, so this is the finished repair. Looks completely different. No air bubbles underneath.